Hi, welcome to your 10th lecture in this course. And in this course, I'm going to be talking to you guys about sequences. Now, we've already learned what is sequence, but in this lecture, we'll be talking how you can carry out more operations using sequences. Now, what I mean by more operations is that unlike strings, sequences can also be concatenated. Let's say, for example, you have a sequence A with elements 1 to 10, and then you have a sequence B with the numbers 11 to 20. So if you want to concatenate these two sequences, you can do that. Let me just quickly show you guys how you can do that, and then you'll understand what I mean. So open up your interface and then create the two new sequences. Let me just write A, sorry, A with 0, 1, 2, 3, and then B with 2, sorry, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So if we just write A plus B, then it's going to concatenate these two sequences, and then it will create a new sequence with all these elements. So that's how you concatenate two sequences. But if you do the same thing, or if you just try concatenating a sequence and a string, let's see what happens. So we just write name, so it doesn't happen. So you can't concatenate two different data types. They both have to be similar data types to be concatenated. And another thing which I want to talk to you guys about is an inbuilt keyword within Python called in. Now what this in does is that it searches for a specific letter or specific word within a sentence. Now let me quickly show you guys how this is done. So let's create a variable called name is equals to Gautam, and then let's see if you can search a certain letter within this variable. Let's see uh, K in name. So what it does is it will check whether K, the letter K, is in this variable. So it's false because the K is not in any of this letter. Let's try another one. Let's try G and day. So that gives you true because the letter G is in the variable name. So that's all I wanted to talk to you guys in this lecture, and hopefully let's talk more about Python functions and different definitions in our next upcoming tutorials.